I also thank the Honorable Minister for adding this acid attack victims as a part of this definition, Madam. And apart from the good things, there are only two or three major demands which everybody, all the members and across the party lines have been asking. That is, when we have increased the number of disabilities, why did we reduce the reservation percentage?
Okay.
As compared to the proposed bill of 2014. In 2014 bill, the recommendation was to have 5% reservation, but now it is being reduced to 4%. So I would, all the members, many of the members have moved amendments to this effect also. I would sincerely urge the government to consider these amendments, including me. Many members have moved these amendments, Madam. And apart from this, of course, there is a commissioner which is who takes care of the disability provisions that the government gives them, but they're not taken seriously, sir. Many times the courts have simply rejected the recommendations made by the commissioner, and the person with disability could not somehow get their rights. I sincerely request, sir, ये charity नहीं होना चाहिए, एक राइट बेस्ड अप्रोच होना चाहिए सर. डिसेबल पीपल को एक डिग्निटी ऑफ लाइफ मिलना चाहिए. अगर ये मिलना है तो we should form a commission, sir, both at national and state levels. And these commissions should be on par with the BC, SC, ST commission that we give. Then only the right of the disabled person can be sincerely exercised. Sir, I wanted a clarification from the Honorable Minister because I've seen a report in a newspaper which said that the persons with the disabilities will be given a color-coded identity card, sir. If that is true, if there is a proposal like that, my sincere suggestion, sir, पूरा देश भर में कतार लगा के लोग थक गए सर, तो वापस और एक कतार मत शुरू कीजिए. आधार कार्ड में अगर उनके बारे में आप कुछ प्रोविजन कर सकते हो कि आधार कार्ड itself can say that this person is disabled, then that will be much more easier, sir. और ये विकलांगों को जाके वापस कतार
आफ्टरनून प्राइम टाइम लो इप्पुडु